it's Jaden, aka Baby Jade, for those who are new here, and if you're not new here, you already know what's going on. I'm back with the dealings, period. Today we're going to be doing a cute little $3 hairstyle, so stay tuned to see more. And girl, since you're here with me and I'm here with you, you might as well hit that subscribe button, like button, and slide me a comment. Thank you. So the first thing you want to go ahead and do is put your hair into a bun and then start slicking it up with your edge control or your gel. It's easier to get your hair slick when you start with it in a ponytail. So that's my advice. You could do it that way or not, it's up to you. So here I'm just beginning to take out my baby hairs, which I should have done first. Like, I'm playing with my hair like I have edges. I know I don't have no edges, so I shouldn't be doing it like this. So if I had any advice, I'd say take your baby hairs out first. So the next thing you want to do is create our foundation, and our foundation is a small top bun. Don't make your bun too small, but make it small enough so that it's a good base for our hairstyle. So I know a lot of y'all are probably like, why are you doing your baby hairs when you're about to have a bang? And it's because if the wind blows, I'm not finna be caught slipping, period. So as you can see, I put on a scarf to make sure that everything is all sleek and stuff while I'm doing my bun or whatever. So once you go to the beauty supply store, you want to make sure you get braiding hair that doesn't have a blunt cut. So we're going to grab our braiding hair, we're going to grab a ponytail holder, and we're going to wrap it around the braiding hair and slide it through. Once you do this, this creates a kind of ponytail holder, which it is a ponytail holder, I don't know what I'm talking about, but to put around our bun, our base. So the next step is to section out a piece, brush it out, and put it over your forehead to measure it out as a bang. So you want to evenly disperse it around your forehead, and once you get it to a good spot, you are going to use these as your bang, and you're going to bobby pin it into place, okay? And y'all, I'm sorry if I look so serious in the video. I just feel like I can't multitask, like I can't talk and do the action at the same time. So I'm gonna try to get better at that and make more videos like that. After you bobby pinned it, all you have to do is bobby pin the extra hair in place. So next, what you want to do is section off another piece, and you're going to get this piece and you're going to wrap it around the bun and the excess hair so it creates a nice firm base. Then just bobby pin it, just bobby pin it. So next, you're going to section out another section, wrap it around your bun again, but this time we're going to mix it up so that we can begin to start our ninja bun. And I know everyone does their ninja buns differently, so I'll let you guys watch how I do mine. Also guys, I would recommend pinning your bang to the side. Like, I don't know why I refused to do that, but it kept getting in my face, so I recommend pinning it to the side. So we're going to work on our bang next, and I want to remind you guys that I am not a professional hairstylist. This is just how I do my hair. So I like to leave the sides of my hair long and then the middle of it short. So you're going to see me do that. I don't cut it any kind of way. I kind of just cut it straight across, and then I go back in and cut upwards so that it's not such a blunt cut. I almost died just now. Trying to be all cute, make a video. So clumsy with everything I do. This is so irritating. I really just almost chopped my fingers straight off.
This is what my mom be talking about.
I'm so embarrassed. You know what? Let's get back to it. See, like I told y'all, I'm not professional at all. So yeah. Anyways, make sure you cut upwards enough to where you like it, and then you're going to put the flat iron on it. Make sure you test it on a piece of hair that is not too hot, because this is synthetic hair and it will burn. After you've curled your hair or straightened it the way that you like it, you're gonna just spruce it up, play with it until you like it, and you'll be done. Well, finished. You're gonna take off your scarf, and yes, girl.
We were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday. Yesterday, we were on our way, but November came. Man, I wish it was yesterday.
Yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial was real easy, real quick, and real simple, and also, you know, a nice little hack when you don't got that much money. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my social medias, on Twitter as J Denise, at Snapchat as Princess JJ, and Instagram as Baby J's.